everybody, my name is Chinante Kisang. I work for Bumi ke bereka ke le National Youth Program Lead under the program Dreams and Prep. Today I just wanted to share with you gore dreams ke eng, why dreams, and why should you enroll more dreamsing, and prep ke eng, and why should you take prep. Dreams is a program which is an HIV prevention strategy. E batla gore banyana ba leng gore they are 9 to 24 years who are HIV negative should remain HIV negative. Those with unknown status should know their status and even remain HIV negative. Dreams is an acronym. Dreams it's an acronym. The D stands for determined, R for resilient, E for empowered, A for AIDS-free, M for mentored, S for safe lives. At the end of the day, after our intervention within the Dreams program, we want our girls to lead a determined, resilient, empowered, AIDS-free, mentored, and safe lives. By that, the chances of them getting HIV are limited. I've mentioned before that the program focuses on AGYWs who are between the ages of 9 and 24. And one would ask, why are you only concentrating on women? Well, we have evidence that shows that all the drivers of HIV, including poverty, lack of education, sexual violence, and of course gender norms, they affect women more than men. If you look at our statistics, it will tell you that HIV, especially among the ages of 15 to 24 years, it will show you that HIV is more rampant on women compared to our counterparts, the males. Therefore, we are going to target the girl child. And not only are we targeting the girl child, there is a part where we also include the boy child being a sexual partner, moyana wa. The Dreams program has what we call the core package. That is to say, what does Dreams have to offer to our AGYWs? If you look at our core package, we have the clinical interventions and the primary interventions. Within the clinical interventions, we are going to address all clinical challenges that our girl faces. HIV positive. So with our clinical interventions, we want to prevent a new infection, and we are using the ASRH department or everything that the ASRH is offering to ensure that our girl remains HIV negative. If you go to our clinics, we have what we call YFSs, Youth-Friendly Service Centers. They offer HIV testing so that we know whether you are negative or you are positive. If you are HIV negative, we enroll you in More Dreams programming. And if you are HIV positive, of course, we link you to ART programs and teen clubs which are there to support our positive adolescent. Not only do we offer HIV testing, but we also offer a contraceptive method mix expansion. We understand that a lot of people use one method of contraception, but we are saying explore and expand the other methods which are available. If you are only going to use a condom, it is not 100% effective. What if a condom breaks? That means you are at a risk of getting an infection or STIs, and also at risk of getting an unwanted pregnancy. So therefore, expand your contraceptive mayan. There is more than just a condom. Not only that, we also offer PrEP. With PrEP, we kopansele contraceptive where we get condom. There is no way how you can have unwanted pregnancy and of course the new HIV infection. So PrEP, condom, le contraceptive method of your choice, you are certain that you will live an HIV-free life. Like I mentioned before, sexual violence is also a driver of our new infections amongst our AGYWs. So when we go clinical packaging we have what we call GBV post-care. We understand that our AGYWs get sexually violated, and once they enter our premises, we are going to ensure that she receives GBV post-care, which includes PEP, post-exposure prophylaxis in case you or you are sexually violated by somebody who is HIV positive. We want to ensure that you do not get the infection. We also have har offerang the injuries that come along with the sexual violence. And then we also have what we call psychosocial support within our clinics and even outside our clinics. We'll make sure that we link you with those services. Within GBVK, make sure you fiwa emergency contraceptive pill where we want to avoid unwanted pregnancy. Of course, addressing all the injuries that you are coming with. So that is the package that you are going to receive at our facilities. Within our clinical package, condom distribution and provision. We are going to teach you how to use a condom and ensure that and not only that, we want to empower our girl to understand that it is not a man's duty to bring a condom to the sexual intercourse part. Bring your own condom to the party. There's nothing wrong with bringing your condom to ensure that you are protecting yourself. Condom distribution condom hela ya borre. Re ba gape re fa le condom ya bomme. Re tso go ruta gore e dirisiwa jang le gore effective ka tseleng jang. So both condoms, we advocate for them to be used. Ikemele ka dinao sisi. Ga re sana re go fa mampempe a go clinicing le gone hala. We are going to make sure that we link you to a safe space. What is a safe space? Safe space is an environment or a platform with really AGYWs. We can come together to discuss our challenges, our successes, in a fun manner. Not only is it a tangible thing, but we also have virtual platforms going on. Using the Facebook, WhatsApp, because yes, we have to move with the current times. Motaka safe space, social asset building. So what is social asset building? Social asset building ke gore o le mostana re tso go ruta gore o ikitse gore o mang ibile o nne le boleng jo bo rileng ibile o itse gore nya ha go tlhokagala gore o renya o itse ditshwanelo tsa gago o itse dio di le dintsi ka wena. Ba e leng gore they did not do well at school, we are going to support them to go back to school gore ba heleletse sekolo sa bone. How ka lebella sentlentle gore ra re dreams etseng. We want our girls to be educated. We want our girls gore ba ska batlala mo mebileng. We want our girls gore ba ska ba ima ba sa batle. We want our girls not to be HIV positive. We want for our girls to have to support each other. How ka lebella sentle gape e bile mo godimo ga mo. We are taking a girl as a holistic approach. We understand gore she's not an island. She has a family that she goes to. She has a sexual partner. She also lives in a community. So Dreams aims at addressing all challenges at all these levels. At the girl level, at the community level, the sexual partner level, and of course the family level. There is nothing new about Dreams. If you look at the services that we are offering in Dreams, there are services that have always been available. Look at the clinical package. We've always had contraceptives available for our girls. We've always had condoms available for our girls. We've always had post-GBV care available for our girls. You look at our safe spaces, we have always had those spaces that encourage and recruit girls in a safe environment and a conducive environment. All that Dreams is doing is to ensure that our girls, we are purposeful and tireful about how we want our girls to access the services. Janong, ma, itele khato, ikemele ka dinao. We don't want you to be HIV positive. We want you to continue being HIV negative. Take this opportunity, enroll in Dreams, and you will see the future will be bright.